Hey there, gentlemen. Are you in a situation where you are competing with another guy for the attention of a hot girl? Well, today, we're about to drop some knowledge bombs on you. We're going to show you how to make her want you more than any other guy. And it's not just about looks. It's about understanding what truly attracts women. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make her absolutely addicted to you and only you. Number 1. Voice your opinions. One of the most critical things you can do is voice your opinions. You see, most guys tend to agree with everything a beautiful girl says because they're afraid of upsetting her. But guess what? Women don't want a yes man. They want someone who can challenge them. Someone who's confident and masculine. So, don't be afraid to express your views. Even if it means disagreeing once in a while, it shows that you're your own person. And that's incredibly attractive. Remember, it's not about being confrontational. It's about being genuine. When you voice your opinions, you're not only showing her that you have a mind of your own, but you're also creating interesting and engaging conversations. By having your own thoughts and ideas, you stand out from the crowd of guys who mindlessly nod in agreement. So, be confident, voice your opinions, and don't be afraid to engage her in meaningful discussions. This will set you apart and make her want to know more about you. Number 2. Take control of your emotions. Now, let's talk about emotional control. It's a vital trait for any man. You see, getting overly emotional or clingy can be a real turnoff. When you meet someone you're interested in, it's natural to feel intense emotions, but it's crucial to manage them. Don't become needy or jealous. Instead, focus on being confident and in control of your emotions. Emotional control not only makes you more attractive to women, but also benefits your overall life. It allows you to make rational decisions, handle stress, and build healthy relationships. When you appear calm and composed, it signals to her that you're a stable and reliable person. So, work on managing your emotions, and you'll find that women are naturally drawn to your inner strength and emotional maturity. Number 3. Don't make rushed moves. Rushed, grand romantic gestures might seem like a good idea, but they often backfire. Instead, take your time and remember that attraction is built through the little things. By staying confident, having a sense of humor, and not appearing desperate, you'll naturally draw her in, while the other guys make frantic, misguided moves. When you rush things, you risk coming across as overly eager or insincere. Women value authenticity and a genuine connection. So, focus on building that connection gradually. Show her that you are not in a hurry and that you're interested in getting to know her on a deeper level. This patience and authenticity will set you apart from guys who try to force things and make her genuinely want to be with you. Number 4. Be around more. Another key point is being around her. You don't need to talk to her all the time, but you should be in her presence. Why? Well, it makes her more familiar with you and helps build trust. Remember, women need to feel comfortable with a guy to be attracted to him. So, simply being around her increases your chances of getting into a meaningful relationship with her. When you are consistently present, you become a part of her daily life. And this familiarity breeds trust. She begins to see you as someone she can rely on and feel comfortable around. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, and being there for her consistently is a surefire way to build it. So, make an effort to be in her life and let the trust grow naturally. Number 5. Underestimate and overdeliver. Moving on to a clever strategy: underestimate and overdeliver. This means downplaying your plans a bit and then exceeding her expectations. For example, if you are taking her to a restaurant, don't hype it up too much. Let her be pleasantly surprised when it turns out to be fantastic. It creates a positive impression that sets you apart from other guys who might oversell themselves. The key here is to be humble about your plans and let your actions speak for themselves. When you consistently exceed her expectations, she'll see you as a man of your word who genuinely cares about her experience. This approach not only makes you more appealing, but also shows that you are considerate and thoughtful. It's a winning strategy that will make her want to spend more time with you. Number 6. Become emotionally present. Women are more emotional than men, and they need someone who can connect with them on that level. Being overly touchy can make her feel objectified. But if you show respect and emotional understanding, you learn her trust at a second date. For sure, being emotionally present means listening actively when she talks and responding with empathy. It means being attuned to her feelings and showing that you care about her well-being. When you demonstrate that you're emotionally available and supportive, you become someone she can rely on, and that's incredibly attractive. So, learn to be a gentleman in her presence, and you'll leave a lasting impression that sets you apart from other guys. Number 7. Trustworthiness is key. Now, let's talk about trustworthiness. My friends, women often compare guys when making a choice to stand out, become better in various aspects, but most importantly, be trustworthy. Trust is the foundation of any successful relationship. Keep your promises, be honest, and you'll quickly build that essential trust. Trustworthiness is not just about keeping your word. It's about being dependable and consistent. When you say you'll do something, follow through with it. Show her that you're a man of integrity and that she can count on you. Trust will allow the relationship to grow quickly and evolve into something deeper and more meaningful. Remember, trust is a two-way street, so be sure to inspire feelings of trust in her by your actions. Number 8. Live the best life possible. Don't revolve your world around her. Instead, live an exciting life that she'd want to be a part of. When she asks what you've been up to, impress her with your adventures and interests. Make her feel like being with you adds excitement to her life. Living an exciting life not only makes you more interesting, but also gives her a reason to want to be a part of it. When she sees that you have passions, hobbies, and a life beyond her, it makes you incredibly attractive. So, focus on pursuing your interests, exploring new things, and constantly growing as an individual. When she senses that being with you is an adventure in itself, she'll be drawn to you like a magnet. Number 9. Hold your horses. Lastly, let's talk about patience. It's often said that patience is a virtue, and it couldn't be truer when it comes to dating and relationships. Are you thinking, how can you be patient? It's simple. Give her space. We understand that you might want to message her every day and see her every hour. But have you ever thought of pulling back a little bit? When you give her some space, it allows her to miss you and appreciate the moments you share even more. It creates a sense of intrigue and curiosity. Let her see what life is like when you are not always there, and watch how it increases the mystery and desire surrounding your personality. Take a brief break from your interaction with her and let her experience the impact of your absence. This will make you stand out from the guy who's always at her beck and call. Apply these principles, and you'll stand out from the competition. And remember, don't fear rejection. There are plenty of opportunities out there. Confidence is your best ally. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching.